Welcome students. Today we are solving the exercise 3.2. Now exercise 3.2 question number 1 is find the value of x. Here two diagrams are given. Find the value of x. So we are saying that in question 1 here suppose we can say easily 125 plus m. Suppose this is m, this angle is m, this angle is n. Okay, find x करना है. So we can say easily 125 plus m is equal to 180 because this is linear pair. Okay, and another easily we can find m, value of m is equal to 55. Okay, this is 55, and again 125 plus n is equal to 180. 125 plus n is equal to also 180. ये भी लीनियर पेयर के एंगल्स हैं दोनों. So we can find easily value of n is equal to 55 and this is also 55. But rules of interior angle. So since interior angle of x degree equal to sum of the opposite of two interior means exterior जो एंगल है ये एंगल अंदर के दोनों इंटीरियर एंगल्स के सम के इक्वल होता है. ओके, सो x is equal to m plus n. Okay, x is equal to m plus n. The value of m is equal to 55 and value of n is equal to also 55. So value of x is equal to 110 degree. Okay, now question number 2 is a pentagon. Suppose here we can let angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5. Okay, firstly we are find the angles, sum of angles of pentagon. So the formulas of angles, finding the sum of all angles is n minus 2 into 180. Here n is equal to side, so pentagon side is 5, so we can get easily the angle is equal to 540. 540 is the sum of all angles of a pentagon. Okay, now here this is a linear equation, so we can say 1 plus 90 is equal to 180. Again this is linear equation, and here this is linear equation, here this is linear equation, same as so on. So we can write the equation 1 2 3 4 5, adding the all equations, so we can get x plus 1 2 3 4 5, and when we calculate numbers, so total numbers is 310 and total sum be 900. लेफ्ट साइड के पार्ट ऐड अलग किए, राइट साइड के पार्ट अलग ऐड किए. सो द टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज दिस and right hand side 180 180 180 180 180, that is 900. Okay, now solve for x because angle 1 2 3 4 5 is the angle of pentagon, though this की वैल्यू 540 है, adding 310, so that will be 850, and when the 850 from subtracting 900, so we get value of x is equal to 50. Okay, now question number 2, find the measure of each interior angle of a regular pentagon. एंगल बताना है जिसके एक पर साइड यदि 9 हो किसी पॉलीगन के और जिसकी साइड 15 हो. सो यहाँ पर एक सीधा फॉर्मूला है. फर्स्टली वी हैव टू नो द सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स, सो यूजिंग द पेंटागन, using the formulas n minus 2 into 180. Here n means side is given 9, so put the value of here 9 and solve for this, so we get easily 1260. Okay, now each interior angle is, we know that each interior angle is sum of interior angle upon number of side. So sum is 1260 we solve, and side is 9, and when we divide, so we get 140. That is our answer. And each, if ask exterior angle, so this is interior angle, and sum of subtract from 180, so that will be 40. Okay, now question number 2, sum of exterior angle of polygon is equal to 360. We know that. Now the sides is 15, so we have to divide by 15, so we get 24 degree. That is each interior angle. Now question number 3, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measures of an interior angle, exterior angle is 24? यदि exterior angle 24 है तो उसमें कितनी sides होंगी? Let the side be n, and sum, we know that sum of exterior angle of regular pentagon be 360. So number of side is equal to 360 divide 24, that will be 15. ओके, ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चंस का अपोजिट है जब ये अपन लोगों ने ऊपर सॉल्व किया. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, हाउ मेनी साइड इज रेगुलर पेंटागन पॉलीगन इफ ईच ऑफ इट्स इंटीरियर एंगल इज 165. यहाँ 165 दिया हुआ है और इसके साइड्स फाइंड करना है. सो exterior angle, suppose let the number of side be n, and exterior angle is will be 180 minus 165 is equal to 15. Now when the number of side find, so we are dividing 360 from 15, so we can say easily the regular polygon sides have 24. Okay, now question number 5, is it possible to have a regular polygon of each exterior angle be 22 degree? So no, because 22 is not a divisor of 360, क्योंकि 22 में 360 से डिवाइड ही नहीं जाएगा, इसलिए ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, कैन इट द इंटीरियर एंगल इज अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन? तो इसके लिए अपन आंसर बोल सकते हैं नो, बिकॉज ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज 180 माइनस 22, डेट विल बी 158, जो कि विच इज़ नॉट डिवाइजर ऑफ 360, ये भी डिवाइजर नहीं है. तो इसका मतलब ये भी पॉसिबल कंडीशंस नहीं है कि कोई इंटीरियर एंगल पॉलीगन का हो इतने का. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज़ द मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम? मिनिमम इंटीरियर एंगल कितना पॉसिबल है और मैक्सिमम एंगल कितना पॉसिबल है. ठीक है, सो द इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल्स बिगिन अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन इन 3 साइड्स हैज़ द लीस्ट measures of interior angle is 60. We can check sum of all interior angle is of triangle is 180. Suppose this will be x, so 3x will be, so we can get x is equal to 60. This is minimum. Now what is the maximum? So by 1, when we subtract from 160 180, so we get 120, so that will be greatest exterior angle. Okay, your exercise is finished. Next exercise in my next lectures, that will be coming soon. Thank you, students.